reel to reel.
So that's what's interesting. That's how I thought they all went.
They're like Chuck E. Cheese hardware. Interesting. Wow, nabasa my TV. Monsters. Oh, 18 tower case. A little chipped here. Can't believe I'm calling these vintage motherboards. I feel dated.
I was so good at that.
Oh my gosh, these are going for 220 watts. It's a ViaPro chipset, the 133A. I remember those. Alright, this is on a Commodore VIC-20. I have not hit any key just yet. Alright, let's see what this is all about. So I think I'm supposed to type in what he's thinking. I don't know what that would be. Bar? Dang it. I want to put in the end. Okay, I guess I lost that one. I will not know this. I mean, I kind of know. I just don't know why. I just can't think of anything right now on the spot. Oh well. Something cassette related. Well, that and also some VHS. Look at this wall of small TVs. Or monitors, really. It's kind of like a security monitor. Why does this remind me so much of The Matrix? Actually, I did see something really interesting here. I'll show you that.
Dude, Miles. This guy went to UWM.
This right here.
He's my age.
Full computer.
With the UW Milwaukee.
And a little ISA card.
I just remember I only have a 10
And all you really need is just an ISA bus.
I can make change.
And it has to be a blank ISA bus.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to get them both.
And of course, once you get the ISA bus, you can plug in whatever ISA card you want in that bus. I think that's pretty cool.
No one touched me.
And yeah,
I know.
burying stuff under the
My phone's at like 4%.
other stuff like an Auburn and a newer Auburn too, the
Do you
Denver.
have an iPhone charger? I have it in my car. I can just grab it. I can just walk in and grab it.
It's an A64.
Where is it in the car?
Oh.
Well, these aren't sorted. I have to look at every one. No, they're sorted by
That's pretty cool. And they got boom boxes. That's kind of where I am. There's a shark. Kind of partial to the Sony myself. Always been a Sony girl. Let's see.
So this GT3, I'm going to cut it. You can see on that one right there that I cut it. Use a sharp.
Can we get a little closer? But right now there's somebody standing there.
Otherwise, you'll get 12 volts on the audio.
So I never heard of
So
people.
probably
Oh,
anything
I guess people in the retro computing
That's why this is
community might know. So this is my first time seeing it, and I think it's really cool. So what it looks like it's basically doing, before I actually talk to some of these people, is that it's a ISA card that emulates all of those different kinds of devices right there. So a lot of different audio cards, vintage sound cards, MPU 401s. It emulates a game port with USB controllers. That's interesting. As well as USB. You can take a USB mouse and emulate a serial mouse. So that's really cool. And it looks like they even got something cool like this. Oh, I see. This is kind of a little breakout board for this. Look at it. Cool. not flickering for me. Interesting, if I move, it doesn't flicker. It looks like they're doing a disc tusk. Just to give you a sense of scale. That's how big this thing is. I'm gonna walk the other way. There's some old vintage calculators here. Something a little similar to something like this. Actually, I am an older generation. Didn't look exactly like this, but I do remember Packard Bell. You can see an SD card reader there. Oh my god. The original crystal Packard Bell. This has got to be that. Yeah, it is. Look, it's got the modem sound card combo. I remember that. I remember it being a nightmare to use though. Oh, that's interesting. I did not expect that to be in there. No, that's, I don't know if that's fascinating because this one's supposed to come with an install. Interesting now. That's why I'm in the OPL area. you know. So this place caught my eye. They got the movie going. I don't know, this is one of the clusters. So I just came across this thing. First of all, you got that. But push button for more internet. Okay. I'm guessing that's supposed to play a video. Was supposed to play a video. I think the TV is off. What is that? Oh, it changes the tip.